I've been tooling around for a while down in, well, just all over the place, but found myself in Los Altos. And I've been wanting to do a little video of Page Mill Road. I think I've been up this one once in my, once or twice maybe in my pickup truck. And I thought to myself, hey, this would be a pretty great road on a motorcycle, especially a dual sport. However, well, it is pretty great. But when I was on it last, the road was pretty rough and perfect for a little dual sport like this. It still is perfect for a little dual sport like this, especially with supermoto. But this is like brand new tarmac. So yeah, if that's what you're looking for, this is fresh. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Much different from what it was previously. But regardless, grand little road for a little motorcycle like this. It's this is sort of an extension of Alpine Road, which I've done a bunch of times. It goes right down the other side of the peak of the mountain, go up Alpine Road and cross over Skyline, or I guess vice versa, probably most of you'd be doing, coming from Los Altos side of the mountain. Whoa. Hit a little construction work on this brand new tarmac, it seems. When I said fresh, I meant fresh. Well, plans mostly foiled again on a nice ride up a little windy road. It is what it is. GSX-R1000 in front of me. Still breaking it in. Got the limiter. Miles of fun. The 250 can keep up. Who needs a 1000? Liter bikes. Grab it. Well, there you have it. Page Mill Road. to the old road. Skyline Boulevard. Fun stuff. Continue on and go to Alpine Road or head down Skyline like this guy. Anyways, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. He likes the straights.